Simon, how far is this hike? You said it was 5 miles? It's like 2.5 in, 2.5 out. Yep. I'm letting her walk in front of me so she gets all the spider webs at chest level, and I'll get all the ones above her head. She says it's raining, but I think it's windy. It's blowing it off the trees because it has been raining. We've been walking close to an hour. We're almost to the stairs that goes down to the waterfall. Courtney thinks I'm talking to her and I'm not. So, yeah.
Alright, homie, ready to try to make it back before we get some food. I don't know what time Arby's closed.
A little bit. No, yeah. Alright, we made it. We're leaving to get some food. Hopefully you can see that back there. I'm sweaty. It's a long walk out. Probably take us a little over an hour. She's staring at me ready for me to come, so I'm coming. Got the light on in case it gets a little dark when we go out. Should be okay, but I'm always prepared. What's up, guys? Hope you liked the video. Obviously we made it out. I quit recording on the way out because it was getting really dark and you couldn't really see anything on the camera. So that's one of the things I'm still working on is like how to get the flash to come on. I had a headlamp on, but it was still just kind of hard to see. I don't know. I watch a lot of people that do YouTube videos and they do stuff in the dark. Unless they have like really nice lighting, there's not usually, you can't really see anything. The other thing I'm working on is getting the camera to focus while I'm recording, because while I'm recording it doesn't want to focus. I have to focus it and then record, and then like when I back away from whatever it is I'm focusing on, it ends up not looking so great. So just some things I got to work on. You know, we're going to have workout videos and stuff. This isn't going to be the only type of video, but there are going to be a lot of those. So if anybody has any tips or anything that'll help me out, let me know. That way, you know, we can make the videos better and more interesting. But hope you like this one. There's more to come. Thanks.